If you want to make sure your work is safely saved in Prezi before you close your laptop, there are a couple of quick ways to do it, and I'm going to walk you through both of them step by step. This is especially helpful if you've been making a lot of edits and you want peace of mind knowing everything is synced to the cloud. If this tutorial helps you out, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more quick software guides like this. Alright, let's get started. First, the fastest method is to use your keyboard. On Windows, press Ctrl and S at the same time. On Mac, press Command and S at the same time. Even though Prezi doesn't always show a big visual save button, this keyboard shortcut tells the editor to send an immediate cloud update request. So if you're working on a presentation and want to make sure your latest changes are captured, this is the easiest place to begin. After pressing the shortcut, give Prezi a moment to sync. In many cases, the save happens in the background, so you may not see a dramatic pop-up or confirmation message. That's completely normal. The important part is that the system receives the save command and updates your work online. If you're connected to the internet, this usually happens very quickly. Now, if you prefer using the on-screen controls, there's another way to save your Prezi presentation. Look up to the top left corner of the editor, right next to your presentation title. You should see the 3 horizontal lines icon there. Click that menu and then choose Save. This is a helpful option if you want to double-check your work and manually trigger the save action from the interface instead of using the keyboard shortcut. Once you click Save, again, wait a moment for the cloud sync to complete. This step is especially useful if you've just made a major change, added new content, or want extra confidence that your edits are being stored properly. If you're ever unsure, using both the keyboard shortcut and the menu save option is a great habit. And here's one more important step that can help force a final sync before you exit. Return to your main account dashboard by clicking the home icon. This action helps push one last update before you leave the editor, which gives you added peace of mind that your presentation has been fully synced. It's a simple but effective final check, especially if you're finishing up right before closing your browser or laptop. A quick tip here, if you're saving a presentation and your internet connection is unstable, stay on the page for a few extra seconds after using the shortcut or the save option. That gives Prezi more time to complete the sync process. It's always better to wait a moment than to rush out and risk missing a change. So just to recap, the main ways to save in Prezi are pressing Ctrl+S on Windows or Command+S on Mac using the 3-line menu next to the presentation title and clicking Save, and then going back to the home dashboard for one final sync before exiting. Those 3 steps will help make sure your work is stored properly and reduce the chance of losing edits. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.